guys, it's Marie with WTI, and this brush right here is all that. This brush has done wonders on my daughter's hair. It is so difficult for me to find a brush that is not too hard and one that's not too soft. This brush is definitely a happy medium. It's thin enough that I could really angle it and get all the area that I need under, the top, the bottom, and most importantly, her edges. It really makes her hair smooth. It makes her coarse hair look pretty straight. I use it on my hair too. With my hair, I could add a little bit more pressure, really get in there and make it look really nice and smooth. I love slicking down the edges and rocking the puff. So if you are looking for a nice, good quality brush, I would highly recommend this product. It's good for so many different types of hair, and it just really makes your hair look really great. I love this product so much, and I'm going to keep using it. And that's my point of view.